If you're a parent, you already know how much time goes into cleaning baby bottles, pump parts, pacifiers, and feeding accessories every single day. That's where the Momcozy KleanPal Pro baby bottle washer, sterilizer and dryer comes in. This all-in-one baby cleaning system promises to automatically wash, sterilize, and dry baby bottles and accessories, helping parents save time and reduce daily stress. It's designed to handle bottles, breast pump parts, nipples, pacifiers, and other baby essentials using a fully automated cleaning process. But does it actually make life easier for busy parents? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the KleanPal Pro looks modern and premium. The compact countertop design feels much cleaner and more organized compared to constantly washing bottles manually at the sink. The transparent front door gives it a sleek appearance while allowing you to monitor the cleaning cycle easily. Despite combining multiple functions, the machine still feels compact enough for most kitchens without taking up excessive counter space. The controls are simple and beginner-friendly, which is important for exhausted parents dealing with late-night feedings and constant bottle cleaning. The biggest selling point here is obviously the automatic bottle washing system. Instead of scrubbing bottles manually multiple times a day, the KleanPal Pro handles the cleaning process automatically using high-pressure water jets and dedicated cleaning cycles. It works with baby bottles, pump parts, nipples, pacifiers, and other feeding accessories. For busy parents, especially during newborn stages, this can save a huge amount of time and effort every day. The cleaning performance feels surprisingly effective for normal daily bottle usage. Another major highlight is the built-in sterilization system. The machine uses high-temperature steam sterilization to help remove bacteria and keep baby feeding accessories cleaner and safer for use. This becomes especially important during early infant stages when hygiene is a major concern for parents. Instead of using separate sterilizers or boiling bottles manually, everything happens inside one machine. That all-in-one convenience is honestly one of the strongest features here. One feature many parents will appreciate is the built-in drying mode. After washing and sterilizing, the machine automatically dries bottles and accessories, helping reduce moisture buildup and making items ready to use much faster. This eliminates the need for air drying racks covering your kitchen counters all day. For parents constantly rotating feeding supplies, the drying feature becomes extremely convenient. The KleanPal Pro offers enough interior space for multiple bottles and accessories at once, making it practical for daily family use. In real-world usage, this machine helps reduce repetitive cleaning tasks that parents deal with constantly throughout the day. Instead of washing, sterilizing, and drying items separately, the entire process becomes much more automated and streamlined. For parents with newborns or frequent bottle feeding schedules, the time savings are genuinely noticeable. The machine does produce some operational noise during washing and drying cycles, but overall it's fairly reasonable considering the functions it performs. Maintenance is also relatively simple. Periodic cleaning and water management are required, but the process feels manageable for everyday use. Compared to constant manual cleaning, the convenience advantage is significant. Overall, the Momcozy KleanPal Pro is an extremely useful appliance for parents who want to simplify bottle cleaning and improve daily convenience. It combines washing, sterilizing, and drying into one automated system that genuinely saves time during busy parenting routines. If you're dealing with constant bottle washing and want a smarter baby care setup, this is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you use an automatic bottle washer for your baby essentials?